So I've been trying to figure out a solution for this. Every time I have a long piece on my drill press, that doesn't want to hold up. And I'll take stuff out, stack it underneath, try to make it all level, but that gets annoying sometimes. So I've come up with a very simple solution. I have a bunch of these kicking around. Makes it nice and easy. You can get it exact. No more having to figure out different sizes of things to stack underneath it. Now with this, I want to take this off and put just a T-handle similar to what's on the vice grips to make it easier for moving it up and down. Thinking of putting a piece of wood on this just to make it smoother for sliding stuff. So, quick little project. Let's see what we can do. First, I got to cut this thing off. Oh, need to plug it in. That makes it have power better. And I need gloves. There, that's off. And we'll see if we can't reuse this bar. Frame here. So that works. We just gotta find a way to put an end on each of these so it doesn't fall through all the time. So what I decided I'm going to do is I'm just going to weld a nut on either end. Good enough. Now we let that cool down.
A few moments later.
Let's round off the head. Already did it to this one. Just makes it look a little bit nicer. Ooh. Works. And we got this wheel and bearing grease. I'm going to put it on the threaded rod that goes through there. Hopefully make it a little bit easier to go up and down. Well, I forgot to hit record, but what I'm doing is putting grease on the threads just to make it easier to go in and out. Don't need a lot because a lot of this would be pushed out anyway. So that should help. I'm going to put a little bit inside here. And as the threads go back and forth, then we'll get more grease on them because a bunch of this will stay in here and just redeposit as it goes back and forth. There's a nut here and a nut here. Clean off the excess. That's working a lot better. So it gets a little tight when it gets to the bottom, but that's normal. But it's still easier. Now, instead of bolting a piece of wood on the top, first thing I'm going to try is just smoothing this out a bit with the angle grinder and the sanding wheel and see if that helps. Well, it feels a little smoother. That should work. It works like a charm. Up a little bit. Yeah, I like the fine adjustability of that. Makes it nice and easy to make sure you got a nice flat surface or level surface for whatever you're drilling into. So, quick, cheap, extra hand for my drill press. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and all that other fun stuff. And we'll catch you in the next video.